of the Sawdust workshop. Part 2 of the painter's case, traveling case, box, whatever you want to call it. I sprayed it acrylic black, matte. It's not going to stay that way. I'm going to sand it down again so it looks damaged on the corner. Well, aging it, we would call it. I gave everything the first coat of this olive yellow, it says on the can, but well, it's a nice color. I'm gonna paint the inside with this blue. I think that's a good combination, and then probably give it 2 coats and then sand it down, then lacquer it, and then we'll finally get to the result we want, I guess. Let's get on. It's kind of ready. I put everything in, well, everything that fits in. The brushes are in, and I can just take these out when I need the brushes, and that's easier than having the hinges on it. The little door with all stuff behind, and all the drawers with, well, for now it's just enamel paint and oil paint that's in there. But I'll go over the content of the box in another video, because, well, there's a few things to explain, and I've got to somehow come up with some kind of painting on the box. So, but that I'll do in another video. For now I've got all my brushes, all my paints and things and knives and everything in one box. And yeah, it's distressed a bit, so that's good. It works with the lock, so that's it. I think I'll start designing some kind of stuff I can paint on here and show you that in another video. Maybe next week, maybe some other time. For now, I've got everything in one box, and that's good. See you in the next video. Until then.